Hi, Karen Egoff here, and welcome to my Soul Balance. We are here today to demonstrate a little bit about easy nutrition in the morning. Now, school's back, it's September, and moms and dads, we're trying to eat comfortably within our budget and also find the right food for our students that are going back to school and for ourselves back to work. Maybe you were off for the summer. So here's 4 ingredients, and you can do it in 3 if you really want. So we start with an apple. Chop it up small as your blender would need. So 1 blender, so an extra item there. But for food, 3 or 4 items and a blender. If you have Vitamix, if you have a Ninja, any of those bullets, you can chop things up fairly thin. Raw, yes, raw beet. Purple, right? Raw beet, raw apple. This way you're getting enzymes for our stomach to digest. You add water, right? Some water, and put in the blender, and it's going to look like this. 2 ingredients and water, really. 2 food ingredients and water to connect this. Now, if you want to add a little more nutrition, so beets have a chemistry reaction. You can look online. There may be something about that. I was taught many years ago about this in a science nutrition course, and which I've updated. I've told many people. I've studied with British Columbia Alive Academy, and I can't say enough about the information. It was vast and incredible. So I put it in a shake. It's nice and colorful, purple, pink kind of color. And again, a couple ingredients. If you want to add one more, and it's probably going to show up backwards, psyllium husk, P-S-Y-L-L-I-U-M husk. So psyllium husk is a fiber. Add it to your shake. It'll thicken it up, so you need more water. But I would say a half of this beet, a half of apple per person, and a teaspoon to start of the psyllium husk. Make a difference today. Start your day the right way.